Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook stir fry. First, meticulously prepare all your ingredients, ensuring everything is chopped and ready to go before you even turn on the heat. This technique, known as mise en place, is absolutely critical for successful stir frying, as it prevents anything from burning while you are still preparing other items. It makes the entire cooking process incredibly smooth and enjoyable, saving you stress and ensuring delicious results. Selecting high-quality, fresh ingredients is the first step to a delicious stir-fry. Opt for crisp vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli florets, and snap peas, along with your preferred protein such as chicken, beef, or firm tofu. Slice your protein into uniform 1-inch by 1/4-inch pieces. Marinate it in a simple mixture of soy sauce, a spoonful of cornstarch, and a dash of sesame oil for at least 20 minutes. This step greatly improves both the flavor and the texture. Achieving the correct temperature is vital for a true stir-fry. Heat your wok or a large, heavy-bottomed skillet over high heat until it just begins to smoke, then add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like peanut or canola. Cook your marinated protein first until it is beautifully browned, then promptly remove it. Next, cook your harder vegetables, followed by softer ones, always in small batches to maintain that essential high heat. A delicious sauce ties all your stir-fry flavors together. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Then, add 1/4 cup of chicken or vegetable broth and 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, blending thoroughly. Return all your cooked protein and vegetables to the wok, pour in your prepared sauce, and stir continuously for about 1 minute until it thickens and evenly coats every single ingredient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.